Walang-wala yung mga roller coaster sa sa Korea. Yung mga matataas.
No more roller coaster. I really believe that you really learn how to fly airplane. You know, because you have to...
Life is short. Gawin nyo na yung gusto nyo sa buhay. And I hope you get to try everything here in the future. Good morning! We're going to
Batangas.
because magpapalipad kami ng Saranggola. Lilipad kami ng sports aircraft, and we will promote sports aviation in the Philippines, and we will show you later kung ano yung mga aircraft na yan. See you there! Baba! Say hi to my vlog! Hi, say hi Mark, pinapakilala ko. Sinasabi ko na ako nagpakilala sa inyo. Ako may sala ng love story nila. Hi, Juan! I miss you! Virtual hug! Hi, we are here at Batangas. Look. Ayan na. This is an airstrip. It's at the back of a farm. Ayan, papakita namin sa inyo yung Vance aircraft kung ano itsura niya. Captain Max! Pinapasakay ako ng glider. Natatakot ako. Pero talagang gusto ko. Alam mo yun, sayang dito na kami. Ito airstrip. Yan. Ito pala yung panghatak ng glider. Yan. Tapos, ito na. Magta-try kami ng Vance aircraft. Nagpa-pattern lang yung Vans. Ayan, super bilis ng Vans. Vans is like, di ba, yung may Cessna, may Airbus. Yung Vans, it's another type of brand ng aircraft.
Never. They're all shocked.
Wala siyang makina. Kasi inihilahin lang siya. Tapos, ayan, Mask from Crew Manila. I designed this. Layo. Pawis na kami. Hi! Hi! May reaction. Ayan, kaya kami pupunta sa dulo ng runway kasi pupuntahan namin yung glider aircraft. Hihilahin lang siya. Tapos wala kasi siyang makina, di ba? So scared. For experience. And once in a lifetime lang to. Minsan lang may magyaya ng mga ganitong experience. So pagka ganito, grab nyo. Pag takot kayo, silang masabi ko sa inyo. Pag oras nyo,
let go. And don't hold tight. Just let go. Like what you do is like this. Gliders have parachutes.
Oh, see? See?
Because
I'm right.
Europe, there's so many gliders that there is a risk that gliders collide in the air. Then of course it's better to have a parachute. But there is one big advantage. I will never collide with a glider here in the Philippines.
For sure. Walang-wala yung mga roller coaster sa sa Korea. Yung mga matataas.
roller coaster.
Sobrang sarap ng glider. Sobrang galing. And I hope you get to try everything here in the future. Sasakay na kami ng glider. Natatakot. Sa totoo lang, natatakot ako.
Yes, mamaya daw ituturo yung parachute sa taas doon.
Ah, sige. Sakto. Saktong-sakto. May eject button ba yan? Tatanong ko nga pala yun.
Mas okay para mas hindi to
Oo, kasi ito, chill lang eh. Yung kanina, diretso tok-tok eh.
roller coaster eh.
Okay, I take that back. Parang hindi naman siya scary pala.
Parang lang, pero depende sa hangin.
Depende pa rin. Ayan, kaya manual lahat yan, ihilahin. Tapos, ipoposition na naman. Tapos, paulit-ulit na ganun. Lakad kayo ng lakad.
Pedals, so don't, just ganyan ka lang. Huwag mo nga yun na naman yung papalipas. Do not touch me. Don't touch me. No, don't touch anything na lang. Before the cement, nakalipad na kayo eh. Within the cement, itong cement, nakalipad na kayo. And then after the cement, gaganyan yan. So that's the most exciting part. Kasi mabilis.
Yun nga po eh.
Sit there. Okay. Stand here. Watch your hand. Okay. Hand. Okay. Then yung right foot. Yung right foot. There. Right. Push your hand. Okay, to remove, ano mo na, diba? Tighten it. Pull the long. Pull. And then pull left.
Hindi ko na po ilagay yung pa ako sa rudder kasi baka maano.
Oo.
Dito na lang.
Medyo
Apa, okay
snug
naman.
na.
Okay, Chess, alis na kami. That was it. Did you enjoy?
Kailangan ko lumipat sa likod because of weight and balance kasi magaan daw ako. So may minimum requirement siya. At least 70 kilos?
Well, actually 70 is okay.
Ah,
but,
okay. Less?
80, I think
It should
is the
be
best.
80.
Should be 80. But
So,
the parachute is 8 kilos.
yes.
And I am 52, so it's only 60. So lightweight, I cannot be in front. That's why I'm here at the back.
All out ready. Thank you, Paolo, was a good talk. So we try now to, oh look, we have a little bit of climb here.
You must try this. 100 feet per minute.
I really believe that you'll really learn how to fly
Yes.
airplanes, you know, because we have to fly very clean,
Yes.
you know, like bank and speed
Yes.
and turn without engine. And as I said, this
Sobrang steep. Sobrang steep, as in makikiliti talaga
because
kayo.
the lift is pretty tight. Yeah, that's the lift is more.
Dito niya binibase yan. Diyan niya binibase daw yan. And ayun yung airstrip. There. That's the airstrip.
You know, you don't
Actually, I was scared a while ago, but when you're here,
you know, you don't even feel that you don't have an engine.
yeah,
I mean, actually it's safe that this plane can fly without an engine.
yeah.
You as a commercial pilot, the biggest scare that you have is that you have an engine failure.
Yes.
I don't scare of an engine failure because I don't have an engine.
First time ko nahilo sa aeroplano. Amazing! You should all try it.
Welcome to
Thank you, Lord! I love it!
I thought you guys were gonna do aerobat.
It
was
Hilo ko. Sobrang steep kasi nang ginawa sa akin. Pero yung normal niya, yung isang pattern lang. Ano lang yun, hindi naman scary. Pero yung sa akin kasi para nag-aerobatic na yung level. So, ayun, ayan. Hi, hindi kami natapos magpalipad lahat because umulan. But now I will be going to the other hangar. Itutour ko kayo doon sa glider. Ha?
So when they lost the First World War, they were not allowed to fly powered planes. I fly gliders for 41 years. I soloed the glider when I was 14. And
Who taught you how to?
huh?
Who taught you how to do it?
Well, in Germany, the issue is that in Germany, gliding was developed. Gliding was comes from Germany because after the First World War, the Germans lost the World War, and they were not allowed to fly powered planes. So they were enthusiastic pilots inventing flying without engines. Then we lost the Second World War, and the same thing happened. We were not allowed to fly powered planes. So we further developed flying without engines. So gliding, like this one, what we see here, is a German invention. And in Germany, every bigger town, like a town over 100,000 population, every town has a gliding field, like this one, and like it. So there's clubs where you have normally about 80 to 100 members. They have something like 10 planes, and they meet on Saturdays, early morning.
This one is the winch. Yan yung naghihila sa glider para lumipad. Diba tinatanong nyo ako kung paano pag walang engine? There's no engine, there's winch na maghihila sa aircraft. Or before, yung aircraft na yellow, yun yung naghihila sa aircraft. Sa glider aircraft. Pero ngayon, ito, winch na lang yung ginagamit nila.
And this is a single-seater. This is a single-seater training plane. And here you can see, this is a kind of cotton. The cotton with a couple of layers of lacquer on it. Here you can see, the fuselage, it's like the K7. It is a steel tube, welded, and then covered with canvas. Like a drum.
May mga old school plane nila dito. Okay, so that concludes our experience today here in Skyhawk Airport, Tuy, Batangas. And we will be back for more. Hindi kasi namin nalipad yung Vans aircraft, but yun, tinur ko kayo dun sa Vans aircraft. And next time, yun naman yung lilipad natin. But today, nag-glider lang kami. So, yung glider, isa-isa kami. So, medyo natagalan, but hindi rin kami natapos kasi umulan. And the overall experience is so great kasi alam mo yun, kahit matagal na kami nagpapalipad ng aeroplano, parang ibang-iba siya. Kasi walang makina. So, hindi kami sanay. Medyo nakakalakas na, pangmalakas ang loob ang dating nung glider. So, yun. So, next time, I hope pagka-okay na to and i-endorse namin to sa inyo at sasabihin namin kung ano yung mga steps kung paano kayo makakapag-orientation flight or paano kayo makakapag-glider. And then, I will let you know and give you an update in the future. Pero for now, ayun, yun muna. Pinakita ko muna experience ko. And please watch out for our part 2. And please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. And see you guys soon. Like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell.
And hit the notification bell below.
Above.